Good morning from day 137. It is 6 o'clock and we have begun our hike. We are in the Goat Rock Wilderness, hoping that we don't get any weather today and that we can get some amazing views. And we have 30 miles to the Cracker Barrel with a resupply and a restaurant, and boy do we need it. Did a little bit of math today and figured out that we have 21 days left of hiking, and we're hoping that this next fire reroute that's in about 170 miles or so, that we can figure it out. Hopefully we don't have to push back our plane ticket, so we fly out September 11th. And as everyone was saying, you know, every fire reroute, people are like, oh, it's gonna be so hard to walk around it and stuff. So far, not so bad, but we're a little pressed for time. So we're hoping, we calculated that we may have to hike an extra 100 miles to walk around this fire, and we could still get to our plane flight without moving anything. But anyways, all we have to do is hike as much as we can. We have to hike more than 23 miles a day, every day. And it's feeling pretty relentless. Bobby and I are pretty tired. Morale is just whatever it is.
Great.
We have limited food today. We rationed pretty hard, and we're gonna go in empty. And today's gonna be a lighter food day, but whatever, we got this. Let's go. My mommy used to always say, red sky in the morning, sailors take warning. Hopefully we can beat this storm. I can't believe I'm looking at this right now. Wow. Well, that guy came out of nowhere. I think we're looking at Mount Adams behind there. Is it worth it?
I feel tingly.
Does that mean the rain's coming?
I like turtles. I don't know. I just feel tingly. Might be the cold. Might be the not eating.
I think it's worth it.
It is very worth it.
worth it. Look at this. Wow. So where we are.
The knife's edge.
Them's are cool rocks over there. PCT hikers.
Fix it in tiger
Tiger
lily.
lily. So Fix It and Tiger Lily are who we passed. They were in the van with Sergio when we got our Trail Magic.
And we got those tasty drinks.
Yeah, those tasty sodas. And now they're passing us. They're heading south, hiking all the trail they missed, and then they're gonna hike back out. So that was kind of neat. And look at where we're hiking. Gee, my knees, this is amazing. This makes up for yesterday's blues for sure.
That is straight out of Whoville.
Uh-huh. That looks like rain. Heading right this way.
How's your trail been?
So good so far, yeah.
Good. Isn't it pretty?
Yeah, where are you guys headed?
We're headed all the way north, all the way to Canada. I think so.
Wow. Look like we got some snow crossings.
You shot it. You read my mind.
All right, after much deliberation, we have decided to take this little blue blaze up to Old Snowy Mountain Peak so we get some killer views. And it's a little bit further, kind of just because we're going uphill and stuff, but not too much, doesn't add too much more. And it's a loop, so we'll get right back onto the PCT. That
Da-na-da, 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 da-da-da, da-da-da.
Yeah.
Little trees.
Beautiful shot.
Beautiful shot.
It's collecting water from, well, it's hard to see, but this is snow melt. We're having lunch, which consists of a cheesy tortilla and also a second tortilla full of peanut butter and jelly stripes. It's 2 o'clock, and Bobby has it in his head that he wants to get to the Cracker Barrel tonight, which is 15 miles. We got descent, and then we got one more climb, which is a 1,000-foot climb, roughly. And we're gonna see. You look angry.
Me?
Yeah.
I'm just chewing.
Well, we just ran into Axeman, which is a hiker that we met, him and his wife. Bobby just said all the way in Kennedy Meadows. And somewhere along the trail, he got a lucky $2 bill, and he gave me one, or us one. Anyways, that was a really sweet reunion, and expecting to see him again. And then he told us about White Pass, that there's not actually a restaurant, Cracker Barrel. There's not the actual restaurant. It's just a grocery store. So no restaurant food.
Solid resupply, but no steak and eggs.
Yeah, which is fine. And I'm really glad he told us, because we were literally running down the hill and we were dreaming about having burgers and having breakfast in the morning. So we're gonna still push hard, but we're not gonna try to kill ourselves now. And then I heard from another hiker in passing that there's supposed to be a storm tonight. But of course, that's just through the barking chain, so you don't know about that. That was a cool sound. Well, it is 4:30 and we are hiking up another climb. We have like 9 or something miles to the not Cracker Barrel restaurant. And feeling good. Took some Advil, took some caffeine, feeling good. According to the map, we're about to see or get a view of Rainier coming up here. And I just hope it's not covered in clouds, because it does look like a storm's rolling in. We decided to press on another 5 miles to another lake and campsite. It is like 5:30 and we're pressing on because there might be a storm, and also gets us closer to our resupply tomorrow. So that's exciting. There it is. Beautiful Rainier, surrounded in clouds. That's looking unexpected. Some ski lifts.
Lake, and storm clouds are rolling in. Everyone's talking about a big rainstorm, so I am attempting to run this last mile of today to try to beat the rain. I can smell the rain coming. I can feel it, and storm clouds are brewing behind me. So I am running ahead, see if I can get the tent set up before the rain comes. So that's that.
Well, it's 7:02. I'm about 0.1 away from Jeanette or Janine Lake. And I believe Bobby's ahead of me. At least I hope he is. Haven't seen him for a second, but I'm sure he took off running when he saw how close we were. And I am so happy to be almost done hiking. It was a long day. Blew with a big elevation and a lot of miles. I'll double check, but I think we're close to 28. There's taters, precious.
Boil them, mash them, stick them in the stew. Thanks for fixing dinner, baby.
Just in time.
Just in time.